In this short tutorial, you will learn how to delete your Instagram avatar. An Instagram avatar is a cartoon version of yourself that you can use in your profile. If you created an avatar but now want to remove it, you can easily do so. The steps are simple and quick. To get started, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, look for the profile picture icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it to navigate to your profile. Now that you're on your profile page, find and tap Edit Profile. Next, tap where it says Edit Picture or Avatar. After tapping it, select the avatar icon. And then tap Edit Avatar. This will take you directly into edit mode for your avatar. To delete your Instagram avatar, look towards the top right corner of your screen for 3 little dots. Tap these 3 dots, and from there, select Delete Avatar. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure about this action. Simply tap Delete to confirm that you want to remove your avatar permanently. And just like that, your Instagram avatar is gone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.